everyone, welcome to another video tutorial with R.S. Jafarzadeh. This is a SchoolLoop tutorial and it's meant to show you how you can create groups inside SchoolLoop. Groups are a great way to be able to easily send a loop mail to parents, students, or maybe a group of students if you have a club on campus, or if you have a group of parents who are involved in some kind of activity in your classroom. You name it. But that's what groups are for. You can visualize it like a distribution list. It works much in the same way. So let's get started. First, we're going to log into our SchoolLoop account. And this is just a demo account here. So you can see right away I am in this fake portal here with a few classes. And in order to create a group, there's a couple of ways we can go about it. I'm just going to go over here to the top right where it says Groups. And I'm going to select the Groups tab, or the Groups icon. Once I've gone there, you'll see several links. The first thing is it tells me the groups that I'm currently a member of. I'm currently a member of this group called Loop Help Group. There's 130 members in this group, and it's a public group. Some other groups that are on campus are these ones here. These are some other teachers that have created these, and I am not a member of these groups, but they exist, and I can send messages to them if I choose to, but I'm not a part of the group. I don't get messages from that group, or if I was a part of that group. So we're going to create a new group. I'm going to click over here to create group, and I have to give the group a name, so we'll just call it the Student Helpers Group. And over here I can give a description. This group is for students who help on campus during their free time. So anything will work, but you don't have to put a description, but it's always a good idea. This part over here, these are two new checkboxes that weren't there before. First is my group can be district-wide. What it means when it's a district-wide group is that the membership is open to all users from all schools and the district office. So basically, any person who's a part of Monticello would be able to see this group. Private group, visible only to members. Only creator, district admins can add members. This one is a group that maybe I want to create and I don't want anybody else to be able to view the members or add themselves to this group. So that's the two options there. So I'm going to create a private group in my case here and click create. And over here you can see that I'm on the group page. I can create a new topic for my group or view past topics for discussion. I can start a new project with the group or view past projects. Over here I can add resources like files and things of that nature. And at the top there's a little toolbox, which is, by the way, right next to a calendar and the news. The news is somewhere where I can publish news that's only meant for my group, and the same thing with the calendar, add events for my group that wouldn't appear for other members. Let's say if it's for some of my helper students, I wouldn't want the teachers to necessarily have to see this event. So on the top right here we can manage group membership, edit the name and description of the group, delete the group, or send loop mail to the group. I'm going to go ahead and go to manage group membership, and you can see I, Mr. Huang, am the only person on this list right now. So we're going to add some members by going to add members. Here I can see the entire list of teachers, the student body, and parents. And on the right here you can see students, parents, associates, etc. So I'm going to make a student group. So I'm going to go over to students. And unfortunately in this example there aren't any students who are registered. So let's go back to teachers and just pretend they are students. It works the same way. From here I'm going to select the students I want to use. So let's pick a few here. And once I've selected some of the teachers or students or whoever I want to add to the group, I click Add. And remember, you could have clicked on students. In your case, you'll have students on yours. I just don't in this example. And now I have a whole bunch of new members in this group. If I go back to the group home, this page here, I can send a loop mail to the entire group. Here it'll automatically send a message to all the members of the group. I can, let's go back to groups here, and student helpers group. Here's the group I created. I'm just going back because it took me out of it. I can add resources for them and everything else that I mentioned. So it's a great way to talk to or keep in touch with a group that you know you're going to be using regularly. We can use it for your parents in your class, or you can use it for a special group, like I said, of students or all of your students. So the sky's the limit. Give it a shot, and hopefully it will benefit you throughout the year. If you have any questions, email me as usual, and I'd be happy to assist you in any way I can. Good luck and have fun with it.